The best portable hammock stands. A portable hammock stand is a tool you can consider getting your hands on to avoid worrying about setting up the hammock by tying it to a tree. It lets you unwind anywhere, be it your home, backyard, or even while camping. So, here's our list of the best portable hammock stands to help you understand the features and benefits. These stands are easy to use, hassle-free, and durable for long-lasting use. If you are new to using a hammock stand, this article consists of our top recommendations worth considering and can help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Sorbus Double Hammock with Steel Stand. The hammock swing from Sorbus is durably built to be suitable for children and adults, thanks to its 5 adjustable height positions. The stand is durable enough to withstand weight up to 450 pounds and has an extensive usage of powder-coated steel, making it durable enough to accommodate 2 people simultaneously. This swing is available in 3 sets of vibrant colors and comes as a package that includes a hammock, a steel stand, and installation hardware. To help you carry your hammock wherever you go, this stand comes with a carrying Caseno tools necessary. Convenient storage, weather-resistant build, carrying case included. This stylish double hammock swing and space-saving stand can be quickly set up and is easy to relocate. It has 5 adjustable height options, so you can choose your perfect position. Colorful cotton and polyester fabric for durability and ultimate comfort that will not stretch or rip under pressure. Number 2. Republic of Durable Goods Portable Hammock Stand. Here is a portable hammock stand equipped with a UPF 50+ rated sunshade canopy to block out the sun and shade your face. It comes with a basket and drinks pockets to help you store drinks, jackets, towels, and snacks. The hammock is made from 210T parachute nylon and is made 75D thicker with a weight range of 250 pounds. Whether you want to sit and chill or nap, you will not need any trees or ropes to tie the hammock to. This hammock stand is available in basic and upgraded sizes and in blue, green, and orange. Less space required, suitable for any space. Lightweight, easy to assemble. This portable folding hammock allows hammocking in places not possible with a traditional hammock. Number 3. Teleko Gear Hammock Chair Stand. Built using durable steel tubing frames, Teleko Gear's size A swing can be a much-needed addition to your spaces. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor spaces ranging from your patio and garden to even your backyard. The powder-coated steel used in the swing reduces the chances of rusting and tipping and comes with a patented design that is easy to assemble. It is suitable for various types of swing seats and has a capacity of 300 pounds. To help you fix a swing seat, this swing comes with a complimentary buckle and a short chain. Easy installation. Sturdy materials. Stable base. Sturdy build. The hammock chair with stand is designed for indoor or outdoor use and made of weather-resistant, powder-coated steel can prevent rusting and ensure long-lasting support. It can be used in garden, patio, yard, wherever you want. Number 4. Double Hammock with Stand Set. 2-person double hammock with stand set, indoor-outdoor Brazilian-style cotton bed for backyard built to distribute your weight in the center while gathering the fabric to your sides. Achieve a new level of comfort by wrapping yourself in a soft, suspended cocoon. High 450-pound weight capacity easily accommodates up to 2 people at once. Curl up with your favorite company for some well-earned rest. Embedded steel frame assembles easily and provides a stable surface that is perfect for sleep, relaxation, camping, picnics, and more. Whether it's friends or family, this hammock is a versatile, functional, and unique way to give them a new experience in comfort and quality. Weather-resistant hammock is made from a tightly woven cotton blend that easily folds into a compact carrying bag, so you can take your comfort on the go. Overall dimensions is 118.75-inch length by 48-inch weight by 43-inch height. Weight capacity, 450 pounds. Number 5. Outdoor Portable Hammock with Stand. This double hammock bed is made of textiline, which is breathable, comfortable, weather-resistant, and oil-proof. The fabric is easy to clean and dry. A polyethylene stuffed head pillow offers superior comfort. You can even set your preferred height by hooking the suitable chain section to the holes on the stand. 55-inch hardwood spreader bars are more stylish and stable, giving you a comfy nap without fearing to flop down. Features countersunk spreader bar holes which reduce the severity of the friction between rope and wood. The uprated ropes, 33% thicker than regular one, are hand-woven with comfortable, long-lasting thread twists done by hammock artisans. 20 strong ropes are connected together and woven into a beautiful triangle pattern, which attaches to O-shaped steel ring. This two-person hammock is large enough to hold two adults. The length from loop to loop is 11.8 feet, while the bed size is 78.7 inch x 55.1 inch. The total length including the steel chains is 14.8 feet. This hammock is designed to safely support a maximum capacity of 450 pounds. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.